my YouTube farm. I'm Harriet Maloba. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we are going to spend most of the time in the kitchen presenting our meals plus organizing family and friends visits. Today we are going to start with a simple family meal table setting, and we'll have to make sure our table is clean. Then you can have a runner. This one is optional. If you don't have a runner, you really don't have to worry. It is not a must that you have one. Then we have our mats that we are going to use. So since this one is going to have, you are going to have your meal either a 3-course, or maybe it's just at the main meal that you're going to have as a family, depending the time of the day. We are going to have our plates. We always start with the middle, so we will have our plate there to guide us on where we are going to put our cutlery. So we will put the plates, the dinner plates or lunch plates, make sure you wipe them nicely as you place them. Then you can have the small plates. This one can act also as a decor or as the meals that you're going to serve, because this one is for the food, this one can be for the salad, this one can be for the soup, depending the type of family or the type of meals you have as a family. You don't really have to have all of them, but if you have them, they can just stand there as a decor. Yes, once we have them like that, we have the cutlery. So the cutlery we always arrange from inner going outside. So just in case you are going to have soup, then that one will go to the outer because it's going to be used the first one. If you're not going to have the soup, then you can leave it, have the fork there, the table fork, always on the left, and then the knife in the inner bit of the right. So just as simple as that. You make sure you place just in case maybe you will have a dessert, then you can have that spoon placed above there, because it's going to be the last one to be used. But we still have those people who prefer using the spoon to eat instead of the fork and knife. So if you have such kind of family, then the spoon can always come here because they are going to use them for eating. But since in our setup we are going to have a dessert, then we are going to place the spoon above. And the handle should always be on the right hand side. Then you can always use either a serviette or a napkin with a simple fold. So if we are going to use a napkin with a simple fold, we can always place the napkin there or fold the napkin, place it in the plate for the person to know that is their napkin. And then basic, we know we are going to have water, so you always have your water glass. You can either have a short tumbler or a long tumbler depending on what you have, or also a stem glass that is for water, whichever one you have. Make sure you have polished it nicely and turn it on the tip of the knife. Since in my family menu today we are going to have some are going to take passion juice and others are going to take mango juice. So I decided to put the juice tumbler, or the glasses can be used either for milkshake or for juices. But before I put, I want to garnish them briefly so that when I get into the cooking, I don't have to come back to the table. Yeah, we'll just garnish the rim briefly before we put them. I'm using egg white and caster sugar mixed with food color. So those ones, they will go there. Then we are going to have a bowl of fruits that they will be biting as they sit on the table as our centerpiece. That is that. I have a small family, not a very big family, but depending with whatever size of the family, always it's good to have your table set for the next meal coming, so you don't have to to rush in doing your things. When you want to cook, you already have your menu. Maybe you are the person who plans menu, or if you are a person that just get in and mix ingredients and have your meals, you don't have to start from the table. Just get into the kitchen, prepare and assemble your food. People already have their whatever basic they need on the table. We have come to the end of our video, the small family table setup. Please share my content, subscribe, like, because I'm going to bring more of such, and also recipes and nutrition topics in the next video. So welcome and welcome again. Thank you. Blessings.